Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will do the MCQs of the rise of nationalism in Europe, class 10 histories MCQs. So let's start today's video. Our first question is Balkan regions became explosive because of options are disintegration of Ottoman Empire or nations personified as female figures or First World War or Napoleonic Code. Answer is disintegration of Ottoman Empire. Next question is unification of Germany was held under the leadership of options are Count Camillo de Cavour or Giuseppe Mazzini or Otto von Bismarck or Napoleon. Answer is Otto von Bismarck. Unification of Germany was held under the leadership of Otto von Bismarck. Next question is the Act of Union was held between options are England and Hungary or England and Scotland or Austria and Hungary or France and Germany. Answer is England and Scotland. Next question is the type of government established by Vienna Congress after 1815. Options are monarchical, democratic, dictator or socialist. Answer is monarchical government. Monarchical type of government was established by Vienna Congress after the Treaty of Vienna. Bourbon dynasty was re-established after defeat of Napoleon. Next question is a French philosopher who explained his understanding of what made a nation. Options are Frederick Soriot or Ernest Renan or Wolf Tone or Giuseppe Garibaldi. Answer is Ernest Renan. Ernest Renan explained his understanding of what made a nation. What is nation? Describe the meaning of nation. Next question is rays of rising sun symbolizes. Options are being freed or heroism or readiness to fight or beginning of new era. Answer is beginning of new era. Rising sun, rays of rising sun symbolizes the beginning of new era. Next question is the Frankfurt Parliament was famous for. Options are failure of liberalism or victory of monarchy or both 1 and 2 options are right or none of the above. Answer is both 1 and 2 options are right. Means Frankfurt Parliament was famous for failure of liberalism as well as victory of monarchy because Frankfurt Parliament convened in St. Paul Church in 1848 where King of Prussia rejected the parliament. So it was the failure of liberalism and victory of monarchy. So both the options are right options. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Also subscribe the channel.